Elon Musk recently announced that his AI chatbot Grok 3 is in its final stages of development and is set for release in the coming weeks. During a video conference at the World Government Summit in Dubai on February 13, 2025, Musk described Grok 3 as scary smart, claiming it surpasses other chatbots like ChatGPT and the newly emerging competitor DeepSeek, which is noted for its open-source large language models (LLMs). Key highlights of Grok 3. 1. Training methodology. Musk highlighted that Grok 3 is trained primarily on synthetic data. He believes this method enhances the chatbot's reasoning abilities, enabling it to learn from its mistakes and strive for logical consistency in its responses. This is a departure from many existing chatbots that rely heavily on real-world data, which can lead to performance issues or accusations of data theft. 2. Current market position. Despite Musk's optimism regarding Grok 3's capabilities, its current user base is predominantly limited to users of X, formerly Twitter. As of late 2024, Grok AI holds a minor share of the chatbot market compared to leading platforms like ChatGPT, which commanded over 62.5% of the market. 3. Competition landscape. Musk's comments reflect an awareness of the competitive pressures in the AI space, particularly from DeepSeek, which has gained attention for democratizing AI technology. Musk aims to position Grok 3 as a top contender in this rapidly evolving field. For criticism of OpenAI, Musk did not shy away from criticizing Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, accusing him of diverging from the organization's original nonprofit mission. This ongoing feud is rooted in their shared history as co-founders of OpenAI and raises important questions about the direction of AI development and ethical considerations. 5. Unique features. Grok 3 is designed to stand out with its integration with X, providing real-time information access. Its cheeky and rebellious tone is intended to resonate with users seeking responses that feel less generic than those from other models. However, this has led to some controversies regarding misinformation and bias. Timeline of events. February 13, 2025, Musk announces the impending release of Grok 3 during the World Government Summit, indicating that the model is in its final polishing phases. Recent months, the rise of competitors like DeepSeek has prompted Musk to assert Grok 3's superiority. Ongoing feuds. Musk's criticisms of Altman and OpenAI have intensified, reflecting a long-standing disagreement about the commercialization of AI technologies. Conclusion. While Grok 3 is positioned as a strong competitor in the AI chatbot market, its ultimate success and market acceptance remain to be seen. The innovative approach of using synthetic data and unique features may draw a niche audience, but it faces significant challenges from established competitors and past controversies. As the release date approaches, the tech community is eagerly watching how Grok 3 will perform in comparison to its rivals. In summary, the development of Grok 3 represents Musk's ambitious vision for AI, yet it also embodies the complexities and competitive nature of the current AI landscape. 1. Synthetic data versus real-world data. The assertion that Grok 3's training on synthetic data enhances its reasoning capabilities may seem counterintuitive. Typically, one would assume that training on real-world data provides a more nuanced understanding of human language and context, which is crucial for AI performance. However, Musk argues that synthetic data allows Grok 3 to learn from its mistakes and achieve logical consistency, suggesting a potential advantage over traditional methods. 2. Market share disparity. Despite Musk's confidence in Grok 3's superiority, it currently holds a significantly smaller market share compared to established players like ChatGPT. This situation is counterintuitive given Musk's reputation and resources. One would expect that a product from such a high-profile entrepreneur would quickly capture market attention and usage, yet Grok 3 remains largely confined to X, formerly Twitter, users. 3. Feud with OpenAI. Musk's strong criticisms of OpenAI and its transition from a non-profit to a profit-driven model might initially appear as a personal vendetta. However, this reflects a broader philosophical divide in the AI community regarding the commercialization of AI technologies. Musk's perspective emphasizes ethical considerations and the original mission of AI as a tool for good, which contrasts sharply with the prevailing profit-oriented strategies of many tech companies. 4. Controversial features and user base. Grok 3's unique features such as its cheeky tone and integration with X for real-time information could attract a niche audience. However, this approach also raises concerns about misinformation and bias, which is counterintuitive to the goal of providing reliable and accurate AI assistance. The very features that may enhance user engagement could simultaneously undermine credibility and trust. 5. AI democratization concerns. The rise of competitors like DeepSeek, which focuses on democratizing AI technology, poses a challenge to Musk's vision for Grok 3. While Musk aims to position Grok 3 as a leading solution, the notion that open-source models could effectively rival proprietary systems is often met with skepticism. This dynamic illustrates a counterintuitive shift where greater accessibility in AI could threaten the market dominance of established proprietary systems. 6. Musk's role in government efficiency. Musk's involvement in government efficiency initiatives under Trump, where he discusses deleting entire agencies, may seem contradictory to his role as an innovator in technology. This juxtaposition raises questions about the relationship between technological advancement and government policy, suggesting that efficiency could come at the expense of broader societal considerations. 7. Public perception of AI. Musk's remark about hoping AI will be kind to humanity reflects a counterintuitive perspective in a field often dominated by concerns over AI safety and ethical implications. His casual approach to potentially dangerous technologies contrasts with the prevailing caution exercised by many in the AI community who advocate for stringent oversight and ethical frameworks. 8. Cheeky tone versus professionalism. The idea that a cheeky tone could enhance user engagement in AI chatbots challenges the traditional expectation that AI should maintain a formal and professional demeanor. This approach may resonate with some users but could alienate others who prefer more serious interactions, presenting a counterintuitive strategy in designing AI communication styles. 9. Potential misalignment of goals. Musk's focus on making Grok 3 scary smart might be in conflict with practical applications where reliability and accuracy are prioritized over sheer intelligence. This raises the question of whether the pursuit of advanced reasoning capabilities aligns with user needs for dependable and accurate information. 10. Musk's persona in technology. The perception of Musk as a visionary innovator is somewhat at odds with his controversial statements and actions in the tech landscape. His approach often combines brash confidence with a willingness to challenge norms, creating a counterintuitive image of a leader who, despite his successes, frequently courts controversy. The report on Elon Musk's Grok 3 chatbot highlights several noteworthy aspects that many may overlook. Here's a detailed breakdown of these points and their significance. 1. Training on synthetic data. Musk's assertion that Grok 3 is trained on synthetic data rather than primarily on real-world data is a crucial detail that deserves more attention. This approach is significant because it suggests a fundamental shift in how AI models can be developed. Significance: training on synthetic data could enhance the model's reasoning capabilities and logical consistency. It allows Grok 3 to learn from simulated scenarios, potentially mitigating some biases and inaccuracies that come from using imperfect real-world data. This methodology can pave the way for new training paradigms in AI, making it a pivotal point in the ongoing evolution of AI models. 2. Limited current user base. The fact that Grok 3 is currently limited in its usage to X, formerly Twitter, users is an important detail that might be overlooked in the excitement surrounding its launch. Significance: this limitation raises questions about the chatbot's scalability and market penetration. While Musk claims superior performance, the actual user engagement and feedback from a broader audience will be critical in determining its success. Without widespread adoption, even a technically superior product may struggle to compete against more established players like ChatGPT. 3. Emerging competition from DeepSeek. Musk's recognition of DeepSeek as a significant competitor is noteworthy. DeepSeek's focus on democratizing AI through open-source models presents a serious challenge to Grok 3. Significance: this highlights a growing trend in the AI landscape where open-source initiatives are gaining traction. Such models can attract developers and users who prefer transparency and community-driven approaches, potentially undermining Grok 3's market position. The implications of this competition could lead to a more fragmented market where proprietary models may struggle against more accessible alternatives. 4. Feud with OpenAI. Musk's ongoing feud with OpenAI and its CEO Sam Altman adds a layer of drama that is often overshadowed by the technological aspects of the report. Significance: this feud underscores a broader ethical debate surrounding AI development. Musk's criticisms of OpenAI's transition from a non-profit to a profit-driven model raise important questions about the motivations behind AI advancements. The implications of profit-driven AI development versus open-source community-focused models could shape the future of AI ethics and governance. 5. Innovative features versus controversy. While Grok 3 aims to differentiate itself with real-time information access and a cheeky tone, it has also faced controversies related to misinformation and bias. Significance: these controversies could severely affect user trust and adoption. As AI technology integrates more deeply into daily life, the ethical implications of chatbot responses become critical. If Grok 3 is seen as promoting misinformation, it may alienate potential users who are concerned about the reliability of information. The balance between innovative features and ethical responsibility is a delicate one that could define Grok 3's long-term viability. 6. Market share challenges. The report mentions that Grok AI currently holds a small market share compared to ChatGPT's dominance. Significance: this statistic indicates that despite technological advancements, market presence and user familiarity play significant roles in the success of AI tools. Grok 3 will not only need to prove its capabilities but also effectively market itself to gain traction in a competitive landscape. The importance of strategic positioning in the AI market cannot be understated, as even the best technology can falter without proper adoption strategies. 7. Musk's broader vision for AI in government. Lastly, Musk's comments about his role in modernizing federal technology and the implications of AI governance are compelling yet often overlooked. Significance: Musk's influence on government technology policy could have far-reaching consequences for how AI develops in the public sector. His push for efficiency and cost-cutting measures may clash with the ethical considerations of transparency and accountability in AI. These dynamics could shape not only the future of Grok 3 but also the regulatory landscape for AI as a whole. Conclusion. In summary, while the announcement of Grok 3 is filled with excitement and technical prowess, it is essential to consider the broader implications of its development and release. The challenges posed by competition, ethical considerations in AI, the significance of training methodologies, and the dynamics of market share all contribute to a complex narrative that could influence the trajectory of AI technology in the coming years. These overlooked details are critical for understanding not just Grok 3's potential impact but the future landscape of artificial intelligence itself. 1. Training methodology: synthetic data versus real-world data. One of the most valuable points in the discussion of Grok 3 is its unique training methodology, which relies on synthetic data rather than real-world data. Elon Musk claims that this approach enhances Grok 3's reasoning abilities, allowing it to learn from its mistakes and strive for logical consistency. This contrasts with many competitors such as ChatGPT, which primarily use real-world data, potentially limiting their performance and exposing them to data-related ethical concerns. An in-depth analysis of this training method could explore its implications for AI reasoning, learning efficiency, and the ethical considerations of data sourcing in AI development. 2. Market position and adoption challenges. Despite Musk's confidence in Grok 3's capabilities, the chatbot currently holds a limited market share primarily within the X, formerly Twitter, user base. This raises questions regarding its potential adoption rates and market impact upon release, especially in comparison to established platforms like ChatGPT, which dominated over 62.5% of the AI tools market as of late 2024. A detailed discussion could analyze the factors influencing market adoption, including brand loyalty, user experience, and the competitive landscape, as well as the strategies Grok 3 might employ to gain traction in a crowded field. 3. Competitive landscape and global innovation. The emergence of competitors like DeepSeek, which focuses on democratizing AI through open-source large language models, poses a significant threat to Grok 3. Musk's acknowledgement of this competition indicates a recognition of the changing dynamics in the AI landscape. An exploration of the competitive landscape surrounding Grok 3, focusing on market strategies, technological innovations, and the shift towards open-source models, would provide insights into how Grok 3 can differentiate itself and potentially thrive in this rapidly evolving sector. For ethical concerns and feuds in AI development, Musk's ongoing feud with Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, not only highlights personal conflicts but also underscores larger ethical debates regarding AI development. Musk's criticism of OpenAI's shift from a non-profit to a profit-driven model raises questions about the ethical responsibilities of AI companies and the implications of commercialization on innovation and safety. A comprehensive analysis could delve into the ethical considerations in AI development, the responsibilities of AI companies to society, and how these conflicts might shape future policies and practices in the industry. 1. The development of IBM's Watson. IBM's Watson gained fame after defeating human champions on the quiz show Jeopardy! In 2011. The technology behind Watson involved advanced natural language processing and machine learning, allowing it to analyze vast amounts of data and generate human-like responses. Watson's success sparked widespread interest in AI, leading to significant investments in AI research and development. However, the subsequent commercialization of Watson faced challenges as enterprises discovered that the technology did not always meet the high expectations set by its initial performance on television. 2. Google DeepMind's AlphaGo. In 2016, Google DeepMind's AlphaGo became the first AI program to defeat a professional human player at the complex board game Go. This achievement highlighted the potential of AI to tackle problems involving strategic thinking and complex decision-making. AlphaGo's success was attributed to its use of deep reinforcement learning and neural networks, which allowed it to learn from millions of games. However, the ethical implications of AI competing against humans in intellectual domains raised concerns about the future relationship between humans and AI, similar to the debates surrounding the commercialization of AI technologies like Grok 3. 3. OpenAI and the launch of ChatGPT. OpenAI's ChatGPT, released in late 2022, marked a significant milestone in the development of conversational AI. Built on the GPT-3 architecture, ChatGPT demonstrated unprecedented capabilities in generating coherent and contextually relevant responses across various topics. This launch prompted a surge of interest in AI chatbots and led to fierce competition in the market, with many tech companies striving to create their own iterations. However, ChatGPT's deployment also faced scrutiny regarding the potential for misinformation and bias in AI outputs, echoing concerns raised about Grok 3's capabilities and the ethical considerations in AI development. Elon Musk's Grok 3 is nearing its release, and Musk has touted it as scary smart, positioning it as a formidable competitor in the chatbot landscape. As we project into the future, several key trends and predictions can be drawn regarding Grok 3 and the broader AI chatbot market. 1. Impact of synthetic data training. Grok 3's training on synthetic data is expected to set it apart from competitors that predominantly rely on real-world data. This unique approach could lead to enhanced reasoning capabilities and logical consistency in responses. If successful, Grok may usher in a new paradigm for AI training, emphasizing the potential benefits of synthetic over real data. This could inspire other AI developers to explore similar training methodologies, potentially leading to a shift in best practices within the industry. 2. Market dynamics and competition. Despite Musk's confidence in Grok 3, its current market share remains limited primarily among ex-formerly Twitter users. As AI chatbots gain traction globally, Grok 3 will face intense competition from established players like ChatGPT and newcomers like DeepSeek. The competitive landscape is expected to evolve rapidly, with Grok 3 needing to carve out a unique niche to gain broader acceptance. Given the rise of open-source models and the democratization of AI, Grok 3 could struggle to maintain a competitive edge unless it delivers significantly superior performance or user experience. 3. User experience and features. Grok 3's integration with X for real-time information access and its cheeky, provocative response style may attract users disillusioned with the conventional AI chatbot experience. This focus on user engagement could lead to increased adoption, particularly among younger demographics seeking more dynamic interactions. However, the potential for misinformation and bias associated with its data sources remains a concern. Future iterations of Grok will need to prioritize content moderation and ethical considerations to ensure user trust and safety. 4. Ongoing industry controversies. Musk's ongoing feud with OpenAI's Sam Altman highlights broader ethical and ideological debates in AI development. As Grok 3 launches, the scrutiny surrounding its ethical implications will intensify, particularly regarding transparency, data usage, and the potential for misinformation. The tech community will closely monitor how Musk's criticisms of profit-driven motives in AI manifest in Grok 3's operational model and whether it adheres to Musk's vision of ethical AI development. 5. Future innovations and upgrades. Looking ahead, Grok 3 is likely to undergo continuous enhancements post-launch driven by user feedback and competitive pressures. Future updates could incorporate advanced features such as improved contextual understanding, multilingual support, and integration with other platforms beyond X. This evolution will be crucial for Grok 3 to maintain relevance in an increasingly crowded market. Additionally, collaborations with academic institutions or research entities could foster innovation and credibility. 6. Global trends in AI regulation. As AI technologies evolve, regulatory frameworks are expected to emerge concurrently. Grok 3's deployment will occur in an environment increasingly influenced by governmental policies aimed at regulating AI's ethical use and data privacy. Compliance with these regulations will be paramount for Grok 3 to ensure long-term sustainability and avoid potential legal pitfalls. 7. The future of AI chatbots. The trajectory of Grok 3 will likely reflect broader trends in the AI chatbot industry. As AI becomes more integrated into everyday tasks, chatbots will evolve to handle increasingly complex interactions. Grok 3 could lead this evolution if it successfully demonstrates superior reasoning and user engagement capabilities. The future may see AI chatbots transitioning from simple conversational agents to integral tools in various sectors including education, healthcare, and customer service. Conclusion. The release of Grok 3 represents a pivotal moment in the AI chatbot landscape. While its innovative features and training methods offer promising avenues for growth, the challenges posed by competition, ethical considerations, and regulatory scrutiny will shape its future. As the tech community watches closely, Grok 3 could either redefine the chatbot experience or struggle to find its place among established players. The coming months will be critical in determining whether Musk's vision of a scary smart AI can translate into enduring market success.